In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a new organization on GitHub step by step. To begin, click the Sign In button to access your GitHub account. Once you're on the Sign In screen, use your preferred method, such as continuing with Google, to quickly authenticate. Next, select the appropriate account if prompted. Then, open the User Navigation menu to view more account options. Now select the Organizations option from the sidebar and click New Organization to begin the creation process. Choose to create a free organization, which provides you with a collaborative workspace for your repositories. Enter your organization's name in the required field to define your team's identity on GitHub. Then enter your contact email and select your address from the suggestions for a smoother setup. Choose to associate your new organization with your personal account, which connects your identity and ownership. Now, verify your information by completing the quick puzzle and clicking the Verify button. This ensures your account is secure before proceeding. Complete any additional verification steps by following the prompts, using the arrows or submit buttons as needed. Finally, accept the terms of service to finish the setup. Your GitHub organization is now ready to use. You've now seen how to create a GitHub organization. Happy collaborating!